Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This printer is Canon TR4755i. What I want to do is to show you how to print Creative Park. We're going to print craft paper. The printer and my mobile phone both are connected via wireless network, and this is the printer is showing us online. We connected both using Canon Print app. So I want to show you how to use Creative Park. So from the app, select Creative Park. This web page is from Canon. Then you scroll down, agree to terms and conditions, depending on what you want to print out. So there are several things you can print out. Select the three dots. Then it will show you all, hobbies and crafts, play and learn, decoration ideas, handmade lifestyle, paper craft, home and living, cards, scrapbook, arts, famous painting. I want us to print animal image. So go to paper craft. Samples available you can print. You need your Canon ID to print out. Let's say if you want to print this realistic craft / animal, select on it. Then it will show you images of animals. So let's say we want to print out this tiger, select on the tiger. So this is the image we want to print out. Tiger, male standing. You need your Canon ID to print this out. So let's say you select print. Then it will ask you for you to put Canon ID. So you can sign in with your Canon ID, continue with Google, continue with Facebook or X, continue with Apple, continue with Line. So I'm going to put my Canon ID, then put the password. Double check the information, then select sign in. Then it will show you, attention, you may use this material provided on the website by agreeing to terms and conditions on the web. So select, click on it, then select agree for you to be able to use this. Then note regarding printing, it will show you download Canon Print app. Then select Canon Print is installed. Do not show this message again. Then select OK. Then it will ask you, do you want to use this printer? Then select yes. So it's downloading, processing. This is the image. Then select next. Select print all. Select OK. Then select change settings. Select A4, same as original, media type, plain paper, bordered, two-sided. Want to print is two-sided. Then go back and select print. This is the image we printed out. We show you printing is completed, then you select OK. So select Creative Park, then go to the menu, decoration item, select decoration item, show you home and living, for example. This is pattern paper. So you can select any particular one. Let's say I want to print out this pattern paper. Then select this particular one. You need to sign into your Canon ID, which I have already done. Then select the size A4 or letter size. Then select print. Do you want to use this printer? Then select yes. It's downloading. Then you select next. Go to the settings, select change settings, select number of copies, the size A4, same as original, plain paper, bordered. We want this to be in color. Then select print on one side, then go back, then select print. So the first one we printed was in black and white. So this one we printed earlier was in black and white. This is the paper we printed out, and it will show you printing is completed. So this is the paper we printed out. So this is how to use Creative Park. Then you select OK. Then you go back to the home page. So this is how to use Canon Creative Park. Thank you very much indeed.